you're safe. And here's one simple technique that works really fast, and it's called box breathing because it's four equal sides. So you breathe in for four counts. You hold that breath for a count of four. Then you breathe out, you exhale for the same count of four. And then once you exhale that four, you hold again for four. And then you continue with another round of inhaling for four and so on. Do that for 4 rounds. Doesn't even take 2 minutes. And even in that, your heart rate will slow down. You'll feel the tension drop from your shoulders. You'll feel a lightness in your chest. This is a biological signal to your brain that you are safe. You can do this before going into a stressful meeting, before having a difficult conversation. You can do it when you wake up in the morning or before you go to bed at night. I have it as part of my wind down evening routine to help down regulate any stress that's built up in the day. Do it when you feel that familiar tension that's just rising in your chest, when you feel you need it most.